Minister Yumnam Khemchand Ngasi Senepati District ki Thonganba Mapham Singda CHATUNA District asigi hauzik oriba development project sing review tawkre loinana CM ki khongchat aduda Senepati District ki Thonganba Miyoi sing AMADI CSO sing unaduna government ki Thonganba project sing matangda khongthang lauki khongchat aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand ke loinana Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikho MLA Tongbram Robindra Singh Thangesi, MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan Khatrigao Amadi and MLA J Gumosa Karong AC Loinana, Commissioner Home and Ashok Kumar, Commissioner Horticulture TN Panmai, Darun Kumar S, Deputy Commissioner Senepati District, Director of CAF and PD Nelson Yumnam, Director of Horticulture Amadi Soil Conservation Debabarta Sarma, Chief Engineer of Water Resources ki Y Homendra Singh Amadi Chief Engineer of PHED Su Khongchat Saruyaki